Entropy. It's an idea that shows up a lot in science fiction. Some kind of weird property of the universe, but not that many people really understand what it is. So I want to see if we can get a sense of what entropy is and why it really matters. Basically, entropy is a measure of the randomness of a system. So let's say you have a bunch of marbles, some red and some blue, spread out on the floor. If the red and blue marbles are all mixed together kind of randomly, the marbles are said to have high entropy. But if the red marbles and blue marbles are separated off by themselves or organized into repeating patterns like the dots on a set of dominoes, they're said to have low entropy. Now the big idea here is that the entropy of the universe is always increasing. That's the second law of thermodynamics. Everything is just always getting more jumbled and disorganized. The reason for that has to do with probability. Imagine that you have your marbles in a bag and you dump them out on the floor. What do you find? Well, you'll almost certainly find the marbles spread out kind of randomly, with no organization by color or into patterns. You may wonder why. You see, the marbles spread out independently, and if you look at all the possible outcomes of their landing, you find that only a tiny set of them produce anything we would call organized. The number of outcomes that have the marbles sorted by color is so small compared to the number of outcomes with the two colors all mixed together, that the marbles are almost guaranteed to land by random chance on one of the mixed outcomes. And the entire universe follows that principle. Matter and energy are constantly mixing randomly, so they're always moving from less probable combinations to more probable ones. And it's that flow from states of low entropy to high entropy that explains why things happen. I know that's a big claim, but thermodynamics tells us that every process, from the chemistry of our cells to the behavior of our galaxy, happens because it makes the spread of matter and energy in the universe more random. In fact, because entropy is the only thing that always changes in just one direction over time, some scientists believe that the flow of entropy is linked to the flow of time. So the idea that we illustrated a minute ago with some simple marbles may be what determines the direction of the flow of time. Now that's an idea worth knowing. Hi, I'm Timothy Lee. I'm a senior majoring in molecular biology at Eckerd College, and if you like this video, please check out part 2 over here.